Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, model compatibility, firmware, and Ippb app version. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location on your phone. This allows discovery and secure pairing. Make sure the biometric unit is charged above 20% so it won't drop connection. Log into Ippb Mobile with your agent ID and have Aadhaar or enrollment info and the device ID nearby. Now tap Devices in the app and choose Add New Device to start the actual pairing process. Follow on screen. You'll see the biometric unit in the app's discovered list. Select it and confirm the MAC or serial matches the label on the device because that prevents mismatching units. When the phone prompts for Bluetooth pairing, accept and enter the device PIN if requested, which secures the link. Next, configure capture settings, fingerprint type, quality threshold, and timeout to balance speed and accuracy. Make small tests. Capture one fingerprint, verify template acceptance, and repeat until the app shows a green confirmation. Finalize by running 3 verification tests using different fingers. You want a consistent success rate above 95%, so make adjustments if one finger fails repeatedly. Once satisfied, save the device profile in the Ippb app and enable AutoConnect so future sessions start quickly. If things go wrong, try a quick reboot of both phone and biometric unit, then repair. Make sure firmware and app permissions are current. If still failing, check USB or Bluetooth logs and contact support with the device ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.